Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. I am Saroya, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a garden from scratch, so you can call it the beginner's garden.
And Soraya will help you how to make it. And you can even make it at your home too.
Okay, so what I have here is a recycled water bottle. I'm going to use it to transplant a melon plant in. So I'm going to start off with some old soil. I've just added in some kitchen scraps. Whatever kitchen scraps that you have can work. I'm going to top dress this now with some other soil.
All set?
Okay.
You break it.
No, I didn't break it.
Aw, you break it. That's how you want it? Oh, sorry. Can I put it in there?
So it needs the up part. So you're going to put it in a bigger pot. Right? So make a hole.
A big hole?
Yeah, big enough hole.
I'll put it on the side.
Okay.
We don't want to waste dirt.
Okay. Alright, so quickly make the hole so I can insert the the melon plant in. But that's enough. That's enough. Give me the seed one minute.
Don't like it.
Wait, give me.
I'm gonna do it. Can I put it in?
So we're transplanting our melon plant. Go quickly. Backfill the hole with the dirt. Take your time, take your time.
Use your fingers.
Let mom help you?
Can pat it?
No, we don't.
No, I'm patting around.
That's around?
Huh. You know that?
Okay. No, tell them what you're doing. Tell them what you're doing.
We're watering the lemon. We're watering the lemon plant, but carefully pour it because if you pour it too much, it 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 will go like this.
Okay, so the lemon plant is a melon plant.
Oh,
Melon,
melon,
not lemon.
lemon. Okay,
Melon.
something.
Yes. Do you like watermelon? Okay, so this is one. So we're hoping to get more watermelons from this plant. We are using another water bottle. Here we have 2 cantaloupe plants in this container. So I'm going to take out one. Yeah, but it's not watermelon, it's cantaloupe. It's a form of it is a part of the melon family. So I'm going to take out one of them.
Watermelon.
Yes, because I wanted watermelon to be in it, but there was cantaloupe seeds in it instead. So I'm going to take out one of the cantaloupe plants.
But supposed to be watermelon, not cantaloupe.
I know.
Watermelon worms on it.
Okay, so I'm going to take out one of the cantaloupe plants and transplant it into this one. Right? Wait, which one, Joy? Okay, let me this.
I want to do it. Okay, right here.
Alright.
And I know how we're going to do this with the, you didn't know? Oh. There's more. Okay.
We need to water it. We need to water it. Do you have enough water?
Nope, finish.
What's over here? Hold on.
So heavy. So heavy, it's water from the back.
Water this one. Water this one.
When we buy this water, they should have put a whole soda water on the back.
Okay, water this one. Put some more in there. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Right.
More water. Can I do it?
What are these?
Tomato slices.
And what do you think I'm going to do with them?
You could take out the seeds off them and put it in a container.
Okay. Alright, so you really don't have to buy any seeds. You can use what you have. So I'm going to use these seeds from the tomato slices. Here we have another recycled container. It's called a plastic clamshell. So I'm going to put the tomato slices on top of the soil and then cover it with more dirt. Making sure that the seeds are in contact with the soil. I'm going to slightly water. closing the container, and this will act as a greenhouse effect. Here is another example in which you can use the resources that are around your house. This is a bamboo trellis, and we have cords that we use to assist us in making the bamboo trellis, and the cords are simple, placed in a grid. We had a cucumber plant on this. It's no longer there because the plant has done its job, so we're going to do another plant in this container so that we can use this trellis. Remember to start your garden one container at a time. See you in the next one. Bye bye.